Today we're making oats puff puff. That's very easy to make, so simple. I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try for your kids, and trust me, they're going to love it. In my mixing bowl, I added in a cup of oats. I'll list whatever that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So I added in egg, milk, and then blended until almost smooth. In a different bowl, I added in milk, sugar, dry active yeast. I then stir and cover it. You want to active the yeast before using it, so as you can tell, it has formed foamy on top. Go in with the rest of the sugar, a pinch of grated nutmeg, and add in the flour. Next is to go in with powdered milk and then salt. Sorry, I thought I was filming, but I didn't film the salt. So blend the oatmeal and then add it to your flour mixture. Please don't forget to add in salt. Mix until everything has come together, and this is the consistency you're looking for. Cover it with a clean film and then keep it aside. Let it rest for at least 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. Once it has doubled in size, go ahead and preheat your oil. Just be ready to fry these bad boys. Take off the cling film. Make sure you wet your pan with water and then scoop about 2 tablespoons with your palm in your palm, and then just cut it in as seen in the video. That was very easy, so simple. It was delicious. You don't even feel the oats, but trust me, it was delicious. Try it and thank me later, especially if you have kids that they don't like oats. You can make this invisible oat puff puff for them, and it's healthy as well. Try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I know you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at it. Isn't it beautiful? So guys, please try it and let me know. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all and stay blessed.